Okay, it's minus 13 degrees. I saw a trick with an egg. I always heard that you could fry an egg on the sidewalk in like Texas or Georgia if it gets hot. So let's see what we can do with an egg in Iowa at minus 13. I never could master cracking an egg with one hand, but we'll try it. Looks to be melting. It's not solidifying as we expected. I think I'd have to stand here for a while to have it freeze. I think I'm gonna freeze before the egg does. I suppose in Texas when you fry an egg, it doesn't happen instantly. It probably happens over a half an hour. I think my fingers are gonna freeze before a half an hour. Ooh, that's cold. Oofta. I think it would eventually freeze here, but I tell you, my fingers are so cold, I gotta go in. Sorry, I wasn't quite prepared, but I gave it a shot. In case you didn't know, the premise of the egg thing was to freeze the egg suspended above the railing due to the cold. I think if I would have been able to hold it there for like another 2 minutes, it would have worked, but I was afraid I'd get frostbite. Here's an update 15 minutes later. I thought I'd go out and check it. Froze, but still kind of gooey at the bottom. Let's see what you guys can do. Why don't you try an experiment like this and let me know, give me some comments, and I'd like to hear from you. Good luck.